Alright, what's going on? I'm going to be showing you guys how to hack Marvel Snap and get all the cards, basically get unlimited cards. It's very simple, very straightforward. We're going to do this all through an iPhone, the Marvel Snap game on your iPhone. It's going to be, once again, very simple, very straightforward. I'm going to show you guys how to do this step by step. This can be done on Android, but I'm doing this on an iPhone simply because I just don't own an Android device. I've always just been an iPhone user, day in and day out. So before we actually get into the process of downloading the app, let me show you what this version of the app offers. The version of the app is called Marvel Snap Mod, and I'm just going to open this up on my phone. Hold on, open this sucker up on my phone. Okay, so on this app, you can see on this app you can see, so look, you can see right here, focus. Here we go. You can see we can just activate this, hit this, and basically the game is basically hacked. You can do whatever you want on the game. You can get all the cards that you want on the game. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how you guys at home can have this for yourselves. It's very simple, very straightforward. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so right now you can see we just have a regular working iPhone. We're going to go over to the settings app to start the downloading process. And when we go to the settings app, the first thing we want to do is go over to general, go over to about, and you're going to look at your software version. Now you can see my software version is iOS 15.6.1. That's good. We'd want it to be anything above iOS 10. So iOS 15 is miles above iOS 10, so we know that this device will work. Second thing is go over to battery, and in battery you want to make sure that your low power mode is off, simply because when downloading this, you just want to make sure it's off. For whatever reason, when it is on, it just doesn't seem to work properly. Now once those two things are checked off, that means we are good to go. We can start the downloading process. So we are going to hop over to our web browsing app of choice. For me it is Safari, and we're going to go to the website appbuild.vip. So once we are at this website, we are going to go over and look for Marvel Snap Mod. Just right here, we're going to hit install and let this sucker install. Website trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? We are going to allow this. We're going to close this, and now we go over to settings, go back, go over to general, VPN and device management, and we're going to go to Marvel Snap Mod, hit install, 2, 3, next, hit install down here. And it says profile installed. Now once we have that, we can easily just press done. Once we press done, we can just swipe up. And now
you can see right down here is beside the Uber app, if it will focus. Marble Snap. It's ready to be played, ready to go. Very simple, very straightforward. If you guys like today's video, I hope you can support and try this for yourselves. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.